So the BTK degraders is a new class of drugs which essentially at this point has emerged or is emerging for treatment of lymphoid malignancies. And there are several agents which are currently being investigated. There is a compound which is being investigated by clinical trials by BeiGene. AbbVie has a new compound which has entered clinical trials, ABBV-101. And here we present data on NX-5948, which is a BTK degrader from Nurix Oncology. And in this study, about 70 patients were enrolled, both with CLL and B-cell non-Hodgkin lymphoma. The data here is focused mostly on patients with CLL, and these patients were very heavily pretreated. All of them received prior BTK inhibitor. Some of them received both covalent and non-covalent BTK inhibitors, such as pirtobrutinib, and almost 80% of patients also received venetoclax. So this is really a very high-risk category as far as CLL goes, where we don't really have good therapeutic options. And response rate among these patients was 70%, and also very importantly, NX-5948 was very well tolerated with very impressive safety profile. There was only one dose-limiting toxicity among several dozen patients, which was basically a drug hold for 7 days due to rash. That patient still did well on re-challenge with NX-5948, but otherwise safety profile was very impressive with very high tolerability, occasional neutropenia, no significant cardiovascular events. So this is certainly BTK degraders as a class is a very exciting group of drugs, which I'm hoping will enter clinical practice in the near future.